Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? 9 to the power of s is equal to 72. Then here, hello, how to solve this nice math problem? 9 to the power of s is equal to 72. Solution. Nine to the power of s is equal to 3 square to the power of x, then which is equal to 72. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of mn. Then this can be written as 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 72. We can take the log of both sides of this equation, that is log 3 to the power of 2x is equal to log 72. Take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of b big C, this is equal to b log a base C. Then this can be written as 2s log 3 is equal to log 72. But 72 can be written as 8 multiplied by 9. Then this is equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 square. And if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. This can be written as 2x log 3 is equal to log 3 square plus log 2 to the power of 3. Then this is 2s log 3 is equal to 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by log 3 divided by log 3. This divided by log 3, and let's divide this by log 3. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. Then we have 2x is equal to 2 plus 3 log 2. Then because of this, we can make it base 3. But we are looking for the value of x. Then we cannot divide all through by 2. Then this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. This will cancel this. Then these 2 will cancel these 2. S is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2 log 2 base 3. And this is the final answer.